What's up everybody, thanks for tuning in to another crypto news live at 5 with your boy BroKaine. Today we're going to be taking a look at what happened in the cryptocurrency markets over the last week. Let's hit it. Before we begin, remember at any stage of this video you can drop a comment down below and let us know your thoughts. Indian exchange Coinsecure's funds were hacked. Indian cryptocurrency exchange Coinsecure announced that their system was compromised on the 13th of April 2018, Friday the 13th. A total of 438 Bitcoin were transferred to an address that is not under the control of the exchange. The stolen funds amounted to a total of about $3 million. Coinsecure is one of the leading names when it comes to cryptocurrency exchanges in India. While the exchange states that their system was neither hacked nor compromised, the website claims that since the Bitcoin was siphoned off to another address, it is beyond their control now. Next, what is behind the sudden rise in Bitcoin prices? After weeks of being in the red, Bitcoin suddenly rose on Thursday, April 12th. With a gain of about 13% in mere hours, Bitcoin broke its 200-day moving average. This comes shortly after prices hit a multi-week low of about $6,573 on April 1st. IMF shows different prospects in blog about cryptocurrency. Just as Bitcoin prices distance themselves from doomsday scenarios, the IMF releases a blog with positive remarks about cryptocurrency. Christine Lagarde, who is at the helm of this international organization, had previously focused on the potential for money laundering and terrorist activity enabled by the use of cryptocurrency. The change of tone in this last blog entry shows a departure from earlier comments just as Bitcoin prices return to positive territory. Cambridge Analytica planned its own ICO. Cambridge Analytica, the company accused of harvesting the data of over 87 million Facebook users, was slated to launch an ICO. The New York Times reported that Cambridge Analytica was about to approach funds with their cryptocurrency initiative. An anonymous source told Reuters that the company was looking to raise as much as $30 million. Sources also revealed that the firm had previously explored blockchain technology for their data collection purposes. Now onto our entertainment and ICO section. Let's talk about Bitcoin Chase's featured ICOs that are either live or going live soon that you should check out. The first is IME. IME is a decentralized identification system built for the blockchain ecosystem. Next up is OpenBlock. OpenBlock is uniting the blockchain community with artificial intelligence and crypto trading. Next is Well. Well is globalizing healthcare and eliminating country borders by directly connecting donors, therapists, psychologists, and other healthcare specialists to patients worldwide. The next one is ORS, which is creating hyper-smart contracts which will be connecting AI and blockchain. Finally, we have CoinJanitor. CoinJanitor is a community-funded project that is cleaning up inactive coins and bringing value back to dead blockchains. Now we move on to crypto conferences. First is the Crypto Cannabis Conference, which will be in Denver on the 23rd of April. Then we have the Crypto Affiliate and Marketing Conference in Prague. We'll be live on the 23rd and 24th of April at the Industrial Palace in Prague. At the same time, we will also be live with Endorphina. Be sure to tune in then to get some prime content. And finally, we have the Blockchain Nation Conference in Miami on the 26th of April. We will be live with an interview with BC Nation. Be sure to check it out. Next section is a new section. We have bonus news submitted by the community. For those of you who submitted relevant news, you have now received your $50 in crypto. Thank you. The big four, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin, to gain adoption in over 80,000 European stores. As reported by the Independent Republic, a partnership between CoinGate and PrestaStore will allow for the use of cryptocurrency in as many as 80,000 merchants in Europe. This means that customers can use pretty much any cryptocurrency in the CoinGate portfolio to pay for goods and services. Check out this video about Bitcoin heading back up to 20K by CNBC Fast Money and 24/7 cryptocurrency news. Let's hit it.
Pisani at the NYSE. Well, the rally in altcoins aside, our next guest says that Bitcoin is flashing a rare buy sign that is hinting at a huge rally ahead. Dan Moorhead is the CEO of Pantera Capital. He's here on set with us. Dan, welcome back to the show.
Thank you.
What are you seeing in the charts? What are you seeing out there that makes you think the worst is over?
So Bitcoin's been growing at 165% per year for 6 years that we've been in business. And something that's growing that fast hardly ever gets down below its 200-day moving average. When it does, it's a very good time to buy. It did 5 years ago when we launched our first fund, and it just crossed that earlier in April.
The rest of the video and the video link will be in the description. Prime suspect in a big Bitcoin heist has escaped Iceland prison in a plane with the country's prime minister. Prime suspect in a theft of over 600 computers that were used to mine Bitcoin has escaped an Icelandic prison to Sweden in a plane with the country's prime minister. Amazon wins patent for data feed marketplace that could include Bitcoin transactions. Amazon Technologies has won a patent for a marketplace that offers data feeds including Bitcoin transactions. Next up, Pornhub accepts crypto. Crypto adoption hits Pornhub, which now accepts cryptocurrency payments including Verge. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. This is your end of your weekly news roundup. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave those comments down below letting us know your thoughts. And remember, you can catch me on Bitcoin Chaser's Telegram every Wednesday at 5 p.m. to ask me relevant questions about ICOs, cryptocurrency, news, pretty much anything you want. Be there, 5 p.m. GMT on a Wednesday. We will also be releasing more tutorials on how to properly navigate Bitcoin Chaser's website and take advantage of all the information provided. Be sure to check those out. Also remember, everybody, all the links to everything we discussed in this video is in the description below. Be sure to go check those out to follow up on what we discussed. Thank you everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. Be sure to subscribe for future content. And remember, we release crypto news live at 5 every Friday, 5 p.m. GMT. Thank you everybody for watching. I'll see you guys next time. And finally, go check out your financial news with Tony Vase. The link is in the description and it will appear now.
So, Jimmy, I'm going to let you start off with this one. I thought it was a great overview of the book. My first question to start is just what stood out to you as being the most important?